Welcome back to Tamil Homeschool. In today's video, we'll be learning long A sound spelling patterns. We all know long A makes the A sound as an ape. There are 4 ways that the sound A can be spelled. A blank E, AI, and AY. Starting with A, as in acorn, alien, paper, baker, radio. All the A's in these words made the long A sound. Next, A blank E, as in cake, blade, flame, grape, brave. These words that are in the A blank E way follow something called the VCV rule. What's the VCV rule? When a consonant is sandwiched between 2 vowels, the first vowel makes the long sound and the second vowel goes to sleep. Next, AI, as in paid, train, wait, pain, sail. In all these words, the 2 vowels A and I combine to make the long A sound. Finally, AY, as in day, may, play, say, delay. In all these words, the A and Y combine to make the long A sound. Hope you understood all the 4 ways to spell the sound A. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for listening.